In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Kanban board in Google Sheets. We'll turn a simple task list into a clear, color-coded board that updates itself as you change each task's status. For this walkthrough, imagine your task names are in column B and your status column is next to it in column C, starting on row 2. If your sheet is set up differently, that's fine. Just adjust the column references in the formulas I'll share. Start by making the status column a drop-down so updates are fast and consistent. Highlight the entire status column, then open the data menu, choose data validation, and click Add Rule. In the criteria, select drop-down, add 3 options exactly as follows: to do, in progress, and done. Assign a distinct color to each. Red for to do, yellow for in progress, and green for done works well. Save the rule. Using a drop-down avoids typos and ensures the board filters work perfectly. Be sure your capitalization and spacing match exactly, since the formulas will look for those precise values. Next, create 3 sections on your sheet for your Kanban board: one for to do, one for in progress, and one for done. Place these sections somewhere away from your raw list so they have room to expand. Under your to-do header, select the first empty cell in that section and enter this formula to pull matching tasks from the task name column. X filter B2 B C2 C to do. You'll see all tasks labeled to do appear automatically. In the in progress section, enter filter B2B C2C in progress. And in the done section, enter in filter B2B C2C done. These are spill formulas, so they'll grow or shrink as your list changes. Anytime you switch a task's status in the drop-down, it will immediately move to the correct column on your board without any manual copying. A few quick tips to keep your board smooth and readable. If you see an error when a section has no matching tasks, you can wrap the formula with iferror to hide the message, like this: iferror filter B2B C2C to do. Also, keep your ranges open-ended like B2B and C2C so new tasks automatically flow into the board. If your status column isn't column C, just replace C2C with the correct column and do the same for task names. That's it. Your Kanban board is live, color-coded, and always in sync with your task list. Adjust column widths and header labels for clarity, and you're ready to manage work at a glance.